Hi, welcome back to the channel. So it's time for mail call. We've got a double mail call today. So got this in the mail a few days ago. I just haven't had time to check the mail actually. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what's inside. Ha! I've got me a Travis P11 sticker. So once again, I get to be one of the cool kids. Thanks, Travis. Appreciate this. I'm not sure which safe I want to put it on, though. So we'll leave that on the reload bench for now. And I'll go ahead and open up this second package. I've had this for, I think, over a week. I just haven't had time. Oh, by the way, Travis, this Olight that you sent me, I've been testing it out, and I may actually do a review video. I've been shooting some footage. I'm just not sure if I want to go with it, or maybe I'll do voiceovers on it, or I'm not really sure. But this Olight is awesome. Thank you so much. This is, I mean, I would have never got one of these on my own, but now that I've got it, I definitely want a second one. So thank you very much, Travis. It is appreciated. Alright, put the Leatherman wave away. And what do we have here? From Armaspec, a Victory ambidextrous charging handle with a silver finish. They offer it in different colors. I also got a trigger guard in red and a trigger guard in, I believe that's flat dark earth. Check the, and I got an Armaspec sticker. They must have included that in with the package. So I've used Armaspec parts before. You can see here's their new Oops parts kit. It's not available yet, but they gave me this at the NRA show. I've used Armaspec parts in all of our AR-15s, and hopefully here I'll be doing a review on the ambidextrous charging handle. I was never really about ambidextrous charging handles, but one of my subscribers was asking me about them, and I really didn't know, and I came across Armaspec at the NRA show. I wasn't there for this. I saw them, I recognized the name, we used their parts, and I started talking to them, and you know, when I saw the three charging handles they had on the table, I thought about you know, the questions I had been asked, and the fact that I really didn't have any experience with an ambidextrous charging handle. I mean, I really never had a need for one. And when I tried it out, I said, I've got to have one of these things. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out in one of my AR-15s, and I might be doing some other Armaspec product reviews here in the future. Just keep an eye open for that, and also keep an eye open for an Olight review, hopefully. So with that, thanks, Travis, for the sticker. Thanks for the Olight, Armaspec. Keep up the good work, making quality parts in America, and we'll see you guys on the range.